Hi guys, welcome back to Bum's Travel Channel, and for today's video, I will bring you to other countries in Asia after a very successful upload last time from my travel in Japan, China, Australia, and New Zealand. I will do another video from another Asian countries. This country is a country to go to for a lot of travelers around the world because they have a lot to offer here, from the mountains to the oceans to the city. There's a lot you can see, you can eat, and you can do in these countries. So now I will bring you and travel with me to this diverse country. There's a lot of tourists here living and working and studying in these countries, and you will enjoy a lot of things here. So I will bring you to Singapore, the Merlion City, and also to Hong Kong. So just travel with me guys, just stay tuned and I will bring you there in this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button so that you will be updated on my next travel goals. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!
A few moments later. 1 hour later.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my video in Hong Kong and in Singapore. Hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the subscribe button. Also like and do a comment for more travel goals that you want to. And again, I really recommend Singapore to travel with. You can see a lot of things. You can enjoy the beauty of Singapore. There's a lot of things that you can do. And of course in Hong Kong, there's also a lot of things you can do. And there's a lot of Filipino there. So hello everyone. Keep safe and hope everything is gonna be okay. And thank you so much guys for watching my video. I really appreciate each and every one of you who do an effort to watch this video. And I will do a shout out to all the Filipinos and everyone in Singapore also. Thank you so much. And bye.